Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve a question, and our given question is x plus 2 whole square minus 5 into x plus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0, and we should solve this question for this x. In order to solve this question we should use the method which is substitution method. In order to solve this question, first we should consider y is equal to x plus 2. Now in the next step we should replace this x plus 2 and this x plus 2 with this y. As a result we should get a quadratic equation which is y square minus 5y plus 6 is equal to 0. And we can say that this is a quadratic equation and factorizable equation. So it can be factorized by y square minus 3y minus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. Or in other words, it can be this value or this equation can be written as y square minus 3y minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. Now in the next step we should take common y from both of these values. As a result we should get y as a common value and y minus 3 as a remaining value. And minus 2 we will take common from both of these values, and as a result y minus 3 we will get as a remaining value. Now in the next step we should take common y minus 3 in this entire equation. As a result we should get y minus 3 as a common value, and the remaining value is 5 minus 2 equal to 0. Now in the next step we should take y minus 3 equal to 0 and y minus 2 equal to 0. Now first we use this equation y minus 2 and we should replace this y with this x plus 2, because as we know that we consider that y is equal to x plus 2. As a result we should get x plus 2 minus 3 equal to 0. Now in the next step we should sum up both of these values. As a result we should get x minus 1 equal to 0. Now this minus 1 will move from here to there, and we should get first value for the x, which is x is equal to 1. Now we use the second equation which is 5 minus 2 equal to 0, and we should replace this 5 with x plus 2. Now this x plus 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Now this plus 2 and minus 2 will cancel out together. As a result we should get x is equal to 0, and this is the second answer for this equation. So here we get two answers for the x. First is x is equal to 1 and second is x is equal to 0. I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.